all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can get rid of the surface or the maintenance indicator of a Volvo S90 2018 model. This one comes from 2018 till 2022. And in this video I'm going to show you I can get rid of the indicator flashing up on the dashboard. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step is have the ignition turned off. So you need to have this screen black, turned off. Make sure it's turned off. Open your door. Close it. Yes, it's turned off now. Then we're gonna press this button, keep it pressed. Then have the ignition on the first position by turning this once. Keep the left button pressed over here. Then start the car. Keep your left hand pressed on the button till you see an information button flashing. When it flashes up, release it. Then you're gonna go to check it if it's done. Over here, as you can see, the surface is due now to 360 days or 30,000 kilometers. There are similar Volvo cars you can do this trick for, and I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.